Today we're making back with another vlog, but it's the Easter Monday crust, the final crust of the week. Guys, gonna be playing today. Someone just tell me if it's gonna be playing on Easter Monday. What the? Zach Kennedy is playing today. Oh, I don't do the Anzac Day class. I absolutely do not know. That was all too bummer. Peanuts and sours on Easter Monday. Oh wow! How much toys that was? The big ticket. If I get it, that's a sick time. The one that started this season off, WLLWW. And the next one I started this season off, WWWL. Oh, the one get the first goal of the day. Wow. The one Cats. I just fit the look. They still supposed to Tom DeConey. Is DeConey playing or is he retired? Why has Tom DeConey been playing this year? To one, because I've absolutely never. Yeah, not sick. Tom DeConey has retired. DeConey has retired. Yeah, he's absolutely retired. That's absolutely unbelievable. He actually retired. I'm gonna make a vlog of Gold Coast, Sydney Swans, Carlton, the one and Hawthorn, West Coast Online, and then the Cats kicked it another one by over. Wow, wow, the Cats, wow. They've kicked it only the first two, and Hawks have kicked it none. That is absolutely unbelievable. It's about 2 goals at the Z right now. It's on TV. Up. Oh, they missed. The Hawthorn Club has missed. Did they just score a view or something? What the? Look, that's their season off of 4-1. Look, CJ, what's this? Can by 5 goals. Oh, he gifted 6. The power of the 6. That's completely fall out. Next week's I versus the Eagles. So if they win today, I have to win. And they just kicked it a goal. Bye-bye, Quay. That's all I can do for the vlog piece.